I'm going to do problem number 7 from the review worksheet, an example of justifying a solution to an equation. Step number 1 is the given problem, x minus 17 equals 9. Step number 2 is just changing a subtraction problem into an addition problem by adding the inverse of minus 17, adding the inverse negative 17. Step 3, so that's subtract by adding inverse. So the next step here, you're adding 17 to both sides. When you add something to both sides, it's a property of equality and it's adding to both sides. So it's the addition property of equality. The important thing here is that we're doing this to both sides. The next step is associating these two numbers here in brackets. Putting these together in brackets is using the associative property of addition, if you want to be technical. Okay, now these two numbers, positive 17 and negative 17, those two cancel each other out because one is positive and one is negative. So when you have two numbers that cancel each other out, they become 0. And that is the inverse property. In fact, it's the inverse property of addition. Okay, next, x plus 0 is identical to just x. If x plus 0 equals 26, then x equals 26. That's the identical equation. So that is the identity property. Of addition, if you want to be specific. Okay, x equals 26 is our solution. We always want to check our solution, so we plug in 26 for x in our original equation. 26 minus 17 equals 9. We check that, and that is true.